Hey Julie, what you eating?
Chocolate in a cup? What you eating, Christina?
Gummy worms.
Are you a fatty?
No.
Do you like pirates? Are.
I'm playing Pirates of the Caribbean right now. It's totally ballin'.
Wow, this Pirates of the Caribbean game is so totally hard. Wait, this is only the tutorial level?
None of that!
Okay, arg! 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 Arg!
I am Captain Menchar, and that is my first mate over there. Are. Today we have 2 new mateys on deck. Arg!
Alright, so I'm a milk wench and this is my
Moo!
Anyways, we're looking for a Renaissance festival.
This isn't a Renaissance fair. This is Pirate Parrot Ice. Arg!
So, Pirate Paradise. I guess I'll stay. Sounds good.
Moo!
That's good! There are 2 of us instructors and only 2 of you! Arg.
So, when are you guys open?
Every hour of every second of every minute of every day for the rest of eternity! Or at least until the boat sinks. Arg.
Moo!
Well, we got some cannons, you see. We put them in this little cannon thingy and they go boom. And then we got these pistols where you shoot at people and then, you know, they die. And then you got these long things that are silvery and...
Swords!
Yeah, swords, whatever. And then, we got these big cloth thingies to help you...
Pirate sails!
Yes, pirate sails, whatever that is. And then we practice little art where you swing those little...
Sword fighting!
Sword fighting. And that's it. Oh.
Do you have any special programs for my cow?
Oink!
Our first program available is Pirate Raving. Arg! And we learn how to pirate fly. Arg! Arg! And you learn how to get your sea legs. And you learn how to reach your inner pirate by drinking grog. Arg.
Nice we do, time out.
Moo!
I am available 24 hours a day. I never sleep. Arg. Arg! Arg! You make me sick! Arg! I hate you! Arg!
So, how much does this all cost?
What?
It costs 5 bottles of rum a day because the cupcakes are for ninjas, those pansies.
So, do we get lockers?
But not really. There's only one locker, and that's Davy Jones' locker, and he works out a lot, and his jockstrap is really smelly.
So, does that mean we get a chest for our stuff or anything?
No! There are only treasure chests, and your smelly socks are not treasure! Plus, you have to wear the outfits all the time, or we will find you. Arg.
Plus, you look so much cooler with it on.
Arr! I am Captain Menchar, and that is my apprentice over there! Good, there's you are recording us.
Oink!
And we can pirate fly! Arr! Arr! And we learn you learn how to get your sea legs.
No!